Good morning guys, in front of me is Doogee T10 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. Here we've got it. To change your keyboard language, you need to tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, then select the language that you want to apply. The list is pretty long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Tap on done, then you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit, and right upper corner, then smoothly mark the language to remove and select bin. Let's go back, and as you can see, the new language has been already applied and you can smoothly use it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.